Thank you for your support this year. It's been great working with you. Wishing you and your family a joyful holiday and an amazing New Year.
Yes.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Looking forward to having more cooperation in coming 2026.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wish you and your family a joyful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for the great partnership this year. Looking forward to more collaboration in 2026. Yay!